Hey y'all, how are you? I hope everybody's great and you've been having a great holiday season. So this is a collab from the Nail Life Facebook group, and my partner was Cherie from Just Nailed It. And if you haven't already, go ahead and give Cherie a follow because she is absolutely so super sweet and wonderful, and she is so talented. She specializes in stamping, and she works a lot with She Modern stamping. So this collab is a Christmas winter challenge, and our what we were doing here is our subject was snowmen and winter and blue and stamping. So that's what we're going to go for. So I'm using two different blues. One is a sparkling blue and one is kind of a jelly blue, which I do several coats of because I want it a little more opaque than the jelly color. But it is such a gorgeous blue, y'all. I don't know if you can see how gorgeous it is in the camera, but in person, oh my gosh, it is simply stunning. So, y'all, this is my absolute first time ever trying stamping, and I hope you bear with me because at first I thought it was going pretty good, and then all of a sudden, about halfway through, I started to struggle. And let me tell you, that struggle bus was real. Stamping is not as easy as one would think. Of course, all these pros like Cherie make it look so easy. It's not. I struggled and I struggled and I stamped and then I erased stuff. I had to take stuff off and then I had to put stuff back on, and it was really a struggle bus for me. It took me a little bit to figure out how to get my stamps to stick to the nail, and then once they stuck to the nail, they would break apart and just smear, and I was having a time. I really should have probably practiced doing it first before I attempted to do an actual set, but I didn't, and so that's where we are. If you know me and you've been watching me for a while, you know I got to do everything the hard way. But despite all the struggles, I think they turned out pretty cute, especially for it being the first time I ever tried stamping. And I will tell you, the whole time I was working on this set, my husband was over here sitting next to me, giggling and laughing and asking me if I knew what the heck I was doing. And of course I said no. And that I was just winging it and seeing how things went along and hoping for the best. Yeah, he thought that was pretty funny too. So I'm going to go ahead and jump off of here, and if there's anything I feel like I need to explain, I will jump back in, but I'm just going to go ahead for the most part and let you listen to some music and enjoy.